Hello, welcome to the Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a Land Rover Defender in stock with us. This one in particular is a D300, so that's a 3-litre diesel, 300 brake horsepower, and this one is an X-Dynamic SE specification. So finished off in Santorini Black, that's one of our metallics that we have here at Land Rover, and there's lots of a nice additional specification on this vehicle. So straight away at the front we can see that the car is fitted with the exterior black pack, so black lettering, black grille, all this low bumper is all blacked out as well, with it being the X-Dynamic. And coming round to the side of the vehicle, we've got some stunning 20-inch satin dark grey alloy wheels, which complement the car really well. We do have a standard on Defender 3D surround camera, which gives us that nice bird's eye view when we come to park the vehicle. But we can see we've got the nice accessory of fixed side steps, we've got keyless entry, privacy glass at the rear, as well as black roof rails on the top. And coming right round to the rear, we do have what looks to be a fixed tow bar. We've got a spare wheel cover on this vehicle as well, which again just finishes the look of the car off. But looking inside the boot, you will see this texturized lining on the inside of Defender, which gives it that bit more of a utilitarian look as opposed to the typical carpet, and it wears a lot better as well. Lots of storage in there. We do have a little bit of storage in the back of that tailgate door as well. And coming round to the rear of the vehicle, we've got a full ebony leather. The back of it looks like it's hardly ever been sat in. We do have some ISOFIX points in the rear, connectivity points in the back as well, and we do have some fans in the back to keep everybody cool or warm. Jumping into the front, we do have electric seats for both the driver and the passenger, and memory functionality also. We even have the likes of an electrically adjustable steering wheel, which will also save with the memory of the seat. 51,470 miles this car's done at the time of recording. We've got auto lights, auto wipers. We've got a new infotainment system called Pivi Pro, which is still the infotainment system that goes in all our brand new Jaguars and Land Rovers. We've got the full 360 camera, which again gives us that bird's eye view when we come to park it. All our media functionality, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We do have air suspension on this vehicle, which is a really nice, expensive option as well, so we can lower or raise the car also. Keyless start stop, heated windscreen, heated rear screen. We do have heated seats on this vehicle also. All our different drive modes that we expect to find Defender, USBs all over the car, twin cup holders, a little bit of storage between those two front seats, and if we're looking up ahead, one really nice extra is that sliding panoramic roof on this one. So again, this is a D300 Defender 110 X-Dynamic SE, finished off in Santorini Black. Lots of nice specification, lots of nice accessories on this car also. If you've got any questions, please feel free to inquire online or call us through this website. Thank you.